So today we're going to be taking a look at the 1,000-line token. You know, 1,000 lines, that's Donald Trump's wife, actually. Things aren't really going so well for these 1,000-line tokens. Perhaps there might be some opportunities to buy in lower down the line, but as of right now, it's definitely not the optimal time to be purchasing. And if you happen to hold any of these tokens already, it's most likely not the right moment to be selling either. Because, you'll likely be looking at some pretty substantial losses. And so today, I'm going to be diving in and analyzing it for you. You'll get to see my indicator, and it's going to help us predict where it's ultimately headed. So let's not waste any further time on this, and we'll reconnect right now as we reconnect right there, as we look at the 1,000-line token. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we frankly can't see much at all. We actually need to zoom in on the 1-hour chart, and even then, it's a bit in the past. You're going to notice on the 1-hour time frame, what it's actually telling us is that this particular token experienced a significant surge. It climbed all the way up to, I believe it was $14. And, the market cap figures are quite crucial. It's a market capitalization in essence right now. And it touched, I think it was at around 13 billion in market cap. And then it went up to about 14 billion. These market cap figures, they're really quite significant. And so we had this prediction, this expectation with $14. And then lo and behold, it started to drop, going into the red. It really wasn't looking good at all. We can see it right here. And then there was this attempt at a reversal. We pushed up a bit, we managed to make that bottom, we formed a higher low, and we're pushing up with a reversal candlestick formation.